from Tajmotormedics. I've got a BMW 3 Series here on a 2014 plate. Just doing a position lamp as well as it's like a parking lamp basically on this one. As you can see, that one there is working. But on this side, this one isn't working, as well as the main dip bulb is not working as well. So this being a two-part video, so part 1, part 2 for the same model. Now the bulb you need is a 434 bulb, which you can find in the description, a link for it, and there will be a link at the end of the video as well if you wanna have a look. Now to do it, let's show you. Come on, let's switch the lights off. All you got to do first is remove this clip cover right here. So once you remove this cover, is this plug here that needs replacing. So if I twist that to my, so you won't be able to see it, but if I twist that to my left and then get the plug out completely, this is the bulb we're replacing. So do that and then get a new bulb out. So this one here, if you can see, the pins are slightly out of line, so that's the one you need. So if I slot it through back in there, make sure the seal's on there as well. So if I slot it back in, it's in there, and then twist that to my left, my right, put the cover back on. Make sure you put the cover on right, because otherwise if you get any water going inside, you'll have a problem. We're just going to go and see if the lights are working now. So now you can see that there is working, as well as this one. So what I'm going to do now, next one is going to be a main dip bulb, so I'll show you that in a minute. That's through the wheel. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.